Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And what? I am Mr. Bobbin or Malika, and in this video, what am I saying? And welcome to vlog number 10. So I don't really know what I'm going to be doing today, but I just want to film my day, you know, regular vlog. But I do plan on going to the library today with Kalila. Kalila has to stay home because we got a new cat. She's a rescue. My dad rescued her because he was out of town and he saw her, and so we rescued her, and now we have another cat. Her name is Midnight, and I'll show her later. But for now, I'm going to get ready. I just showered, but I have to do my edges because it's a big no right now. And then I'm going to, I guess I'll eat breakfast, and I'm not really hungry for breakfast, but I'll eat maybe, and then I'm gonna go outside with the cats and then crochet or knit. I don't know. I'm starting my crochet along project in this vlog because I really want to get started on that. I already started on another knit project. It's a sweater, the novice sweater by Petite Knit, and I'm debating whether I want to continue that or start on my crochet along sweater. I don't know. I really need to start it, so I guess I'll start it and then continue it like at the library and stuff. Or maybe I will finish, I don't know. We'll see what I decide. But for now, I'm going to do my edges on camera so you guys can see my entire process of getting ready and stuff, and then we'll see what happens next. Let's get it. And now I just put my hair in a ponytail because I'm too lazy to do anything else with it. So edges are done. And then I just put on blush and highlight like normal. And ta-da! Okay, so this is the completed look. This is how I just do my stuff, my makeup, you know, routine every day. I don't know, I just like how I look with blush and highlight like on my nails, so that's what I stick to. And then I make sure I do my edges because edges are important. But now I'm going to try and see if I want to eat something. And then I'm just going to go outside with the cats, and I think he was going to be outside too. And I think I'm just going to get started on my crochet long sweater. So let's get it. Oh, let me show you guys Midnight. I'm going to show you guys Midnight, the new rescue cat. And she's 7 months old, and she had kittens already because whoever owned her before were horrible owners who let her get pregnant at, she was pregnant at like 4 or 5 months old, and she's 7 months now. So she was a baby who had babies, and we couldn't rescue her kittens because somebody already took them before we could, so we just took her. But yeah, she's 7 months and she had kittens already, so her boobs are like perky because she was just recently breastfeeding. So let me show you guys the new cat. She's so small too. But anyway, let's get it. Hi. Hi. Yeah. You like Peach. That is Midnight. And that's her little boobies. But anyway, this is her. The beautiful kitty. And yeah, that's all I had to show you guys. Oh yeah, and we got her like 2-3 days ago, and all she does is sleep. I think she's catching up on the sleep she lost when she was a stray, and when she had to, like, you know, stay alert as a stray. But yeah. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so I made my smoothie, ta-da, and I'm hungry, but I don't want typical breakfast food. I'm craving quesadillas, so I'm gonna go to the store to buy some chicken and tortilla wraps and cheese, so I can make some quesadillas for breakfast, because I really want quesadillas. Like, I'm craving quesadillas, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna chill and maybe read while I eat the quesadillas, and then I'll start crocheting. Yeah. I got all my quesadilla ingredients in my pot over here. Now I'm just going to make the quesadillas. I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to show you guys the whole process, and then I'll show you guys me eating it, or at the end. Okay, so over and out. Okay guys, I finished the quesadillas, washed it down with some eggnog, and I'm full. Those quesadillas were good. But now I'm going to crochet finally. I don't know if we're just gonna go to the library right now, or I think we might just go to the library just right away, since we were gonna go around this time anyway. So I guess the next time you'll see me is when I'm at the library crocheting. So let's get it. Okay guys, so I got like 42 rows done and it's 4:23 right now. We came at like 1 o'clock, but this is how it looks. And I have 15 more rows to go, so I'm just gonna finish the rest when I get home. So yeah, see ya. Okay guys, so I finished the sleeve I started on today, and this is how it came out. And this is the second one that I already did before. So I have 2 sleeves down already in in the span of 24 hours, which is insane. I've actually never done that before. I don't know what got into me, but I think the fact that I knit now, it makes me a faster crocheter. I don't know why, but my fingers just fly with crocheting now. So now that I'm done with the sleeve, that's the end of my vlog. Yeah, there's really nothing else I have to show you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.